The healthcare and life sciences sector consists of businesses that provide medical services, manufacture medical equipment or drugs, provide medical insurance, or provide healthcare to patients. There are many varied job roles in this industry. Nurse. Nurses provide care for individuals in hospitals, at home, or in other settings. They assess patients, provide care before and after medical operations, and take patient samples, temperatures, and blood pressure readings. Nurses also advise patients about their health and help them to understand their health conditions. Radiologist. Radiologists are doctors who specialise in the use of imaging to investigate, diagnose, and treat a range of conditions and diseases. They must quickly find issues in order to find the correct care for the patient. Pharmacist. Pharmacists dispense medication in pharmacies, hospitals, or GP practices. They can also give advice about prescriptions, dosages, and side effects. This means they must have a wide knowledge of the medication they deal with. Pharmacists must manage the stock of medication and order new medicines in. They may also research new medicines and run clinical trials. Dentist. Dentists examine patients' dental hygiene and oral health through regular checkups. They use technical machinery such as X-ray machines and keep detailed patient records to pass on to other health professionals. Dentists may provide more complex treatments in a hospital setting for patients with facial injuries or diseases. Surgeon. Surgeons perform operations and other medical procedures to treat diseases, injuries, and any growths or deformities. They also complete operations that help to prevent the development of diseases and malformations. Surgeons also spend time in offices, usually in medical practices, diagnosing patients and advising them of recommended procedures and treatment plans. Carer. Carers provide support for elderly people and those with disabilities. Their role enables their patients to remain independent in life, avoiding the need for them to live in nursing homes or hospitals. Duties include providing personal care to maintain patients' hygiene, preparing daily meals, administering medication, and providing companionship to patients that struggle to remain sociable. 94% of people seeking a job in healthcare statistically succeed within 6 months of completing a degree in a relevant area. That means healthcare has one of the highest employment rates in the UK. It is predicted that there will be an additional 3.2 million healthcare roles created by the end of the 2020s. Many healthcare jobs require degrees, but jobs such as carers do not. They just require important training and commitment to the role. In 2020, 37,365 nursing students were accepted onto courses across the UK. This represents an increase of 23.8% when compared to 2019. Healthcare facilities are present countrywide. Hospitals and specialist facilities are usually in larger cities, but there are GP practices in most towns in the UK. Providers of highly specialist procedures usually have few bases countrywide, so may be based in large cities such as London.